Taiga is our newest roller coaster from Intamin. I believe that everyone has seen some videos of that. So it was built in 2019. It's a double launch coaster from Intamin. It's 1.1 kilometers long, 52 meters high. It has 4 inversions. It's longest, fastest and tallest roller coaster in Finland, and otherwise the best in any way. So it has won 3 different awards of being best new roller coaster in Europe in 2019 when it was published, and it has been very successful, and our customers have loved it, and so do I. I'm a big fan of it. I was project director for that project, so I might know something about that. It was 110 pieces of track with 100 truckloads of steel, 700 tons in total, 250 quite heavy foundations and columns on top of that, and so on. But I don't want to spoil the experience for you. I believe that you are more interested in riding than